Also, guys, welcome back to Lion Mad TV Market with another exciting, delighting, and much interesting video here on the channel. So, this is actually coming from the Presidential Tribunal in Abuja, and yes, the Labour Party are still presenting more and more evidence to the court. Like, it's really becoming very, very much interesting there each single day, from video evidence to personal witnesses and a lot of other amazing ones. And trust me, all of this evidence are being accepted by the court. We are hoping and patiently waiting for the final judgment. This is the conclusion of today's court hearing. Don't forget to subscribe.
Hi, Obedient. How are you doing? We had another day in court today and it went successful as usual. Lots of documents were tendered, beginning with Benue, Niger, Edo, Bauchi, and then there were blurred documents from Bauchi State. Again, these are documents that are unreadable. Those ones that were, crossed over, the ones that people use TPEX to hide the original numbers and all. So those documents were also tendered in court today. That's for Bauchi State. And then we have documents from Gombe State, and also there are results from IREV for Gombe State without a local government. I don't even know how that happened, but these are the things that were reviewed in court today. So then documents for Kaduna was also tendered in court, and then Beaver's reports for 26 states and FCT, Abuja, was also tendered. The reason I stressed this and FCT is for all Nigerians to understand that FCT is not a state and cannot be included as part of 36 states. The 1999 constitution already made it clear that Nigeria has 36 states and FCT, and it was deliberately excluded as a state. Therefore, if we say that FCT is a state, then it means that Nigeria has 37 states, which is wrong. Okay, let's go back to the update. So those were the documents that were tendered. Then the highlight of today's hearing was that Dr. Livy Uzoku, who is the lead counsel for the Labour Party, told the judge that, told the judges, there are 5 of them, that Mahmood Yakubu has consistently ignored their subpoena. Now, if you've been following me, you know that I keep explaining the meaning of a subpoena. The short and quick definition of a subpoena is a written order by the court for someone to appear or provide certain documentation that would help a case. So in this case, the court served Mahmood Yakubu to appear in court or provide certain documents. Dr. Livio Zoku announced to the court this morning that Mahmood Yakubu have not been following that order. And now, INEC's lawyer stood up and told the court that Dr. Livio Zoku is lying because that they have been obeying all court orders, and he can't say that Mahmood Yakubu is dodging this particular subpoena. Now, he also said that PDP also served a subpoena to Mahmood Yakubu, and he honored that request. So therefore, Dr. Livio Zoku cannot accuse INEC. He also said that Dr. Zoku keeps accusing INEC of doing this and that, always ignoring certain requests, but that's not true. Now, the reason why Dr. Livio Zoku brought this up in the first place is because they were done tendering the documents for the day, and they also wanted to let the court know that since, they actually planned to bring Mahmood Yakubu to testify, but now, time is running out and they don't have him in court. So Dr. Livio Zoku asked for an adjournment. So now INEC's lawyer is being defensive and saying that Dr. Livio Zoku can ask for an adjournment and get it, but he cannot twist it in a way that make it seem like it's because of INEC that he's asking for an adjournment. Anyway, what we almost understand about this particular scenario is that although Mahmood Yakubu honored PDP's request, that does not mean that he cannot dodge Labour Party's request, right? PDP has a case going on in court, a case similar to Peter Obi's, but it is not 100% the same. So at this point, it is clear for all Nigerians to see what is happening. It is obvious that Mahmood Yakubu knows exactly what he did after the presidential election that took place on February 25th of 2023. If he's not feeling guilty, if he's not guilty of the accusations against him, he would have been the first to appear in court. He would have been the first to explain himself. He would have been in media, in the mainstream media, explaining what happened, clearing his name, because this man has built a very strong reputation for himself, and all of a sudden he's allowing it to crumble in such a disgraceful manner. So Nigerians, I want you all to pay attention. All along we've been calling him out, we've been doing this, but now you can see that he's obviously dodging the court. Even though he honored PDP's request, there's no proof that he's coming. He has not been there yet. They only accepted that he will be there, but he hasn't come, right? And we don't even know the kind of questions they're going to ask him, and we don't even know what kind of invitation he was given. There are so many subpoenas, but I'm not going to go into that. But just bear in mind that this is exactly what went down today in court. By tomorrow, 9 a.m., we will hear more. Maybe the judge would make a comment about this and offer a different solution to the problem, or maybe there will be more documentation to go with it. But until then, this is what happened in court today. All right? Take care. Bye.